Hi everyone, welcome to FoodyVibes. Today we are making such an easy recipe, twisted pasta with chicken. First we'll boil the pasta. In the boiling water we'll add some salt and oil to prevent the pasta from sticking. Then we'll add the pasta, let it cook until al dente. We'll drain it and keep aside. Now let's cook the chicken. In a pan, drizzle some oil, fry some chopped onions and 2 crushed garlic cloves. Let's saute until a bit golden. Then add the chicken that I chopped in very small cubes. Give a mix. Then we'll add some salt and pepper. Stir well, cover and let cook until the liquid dries out and the chicken is completely cooked. Take out the chicken and keep aside. Next, we'll prepare the tomato sauce. In the same wok, pour some oil, 1 teaspoon of butter, add remaining chopped onions. Let's saute again until golden, then add blended tomatoes. Add some thyme and parsley, ginger and garlic paste, little bit of sugar, salt to taste, and 1 bay leaf. Mix well, cover and let cook on medium flame until done and releases the oil. Now in the tomato sauce, we'll add the boiled pasta, the chicken, some breadcrumbs, some shredded cheese, and mix well until well combined. I have also used some spring onions for garnishing, which will add more flavors to the pasta. That's it. This is such an easy and quick twisted pasta recipe that will please everyone. Hope you have enjoyed this video. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.